Hey guys, Roger Earl here. Today is stair day. This is not gonna be a, here's how you do it. This is more of a, hey, I just need to get this done. And also, I'm doing it with my new GoPro 11 that I just got in. So that's what I'm gonna be shooting with today. It's first time using a GoPro, so I'm pretty excited about it. I went to Home Depot, I had a gift card for there for $150, and I said I was sticking in that budget. So I went and bought the stringers that were already pre-cut. I figured I just needed 4 stringers. I'm going with the 2x6s that'll give you a little bit more strength because I'll have like 24 inches between my stringers. What I'm doing right now is I'm gonna attach just temporarily my top piece to my stringers, put it up against there, and then figure out, you know, what's going on with how much space I need to go ahead and get it level, because I got to dig out some spots. It's not exactly, you know, the right amount of the right height for these on one side because it's on an incline. So what I'll have to do is actually dig that out. But I wanted to make sure that when you came out of the door you didn't trip, and that you just had a, you know, just one piece going from the transition over to the steps. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is just a temporary thing, and I'm gonna go in after I get it figured out how deep I need some of the holes and how level it needs to be, and then we'll go in and attach our stringers. So yours is up? Okay. No, that's fine, because what we'll do is we'll fill it in or dig it out where we need it. I think I'm dug out enough over here. So I'm gonna do a temporary screw in right here. That's pretty good. The level right there. Okay, good. All right, so I'm gonna take this off just so we can get in here and do our, put these brackets on right here. These are gonna hold our stringers in place pretty good. So I have these nails right here and hammer. So I'm gonna mark where each one of these are, so I know where to put this, and then we're gonna have to move this out of the way, nail this in, and then nail it to the sides. Just gonna trace this out. Hands all the way up here and here. We should be good. What's up, Mac Cheese? Mac Daddy? Macaroni? No, this is real footage. Yep. Are you wanting to get on video or something? Huh?
No.
You want to wear this cool hat like this?
No.
For these brackets right here, I'm just using these 1.5 inch nails and size 10 right here. Smooth shank connector nail. It's perfect for this. So you don't have to screw it in right there. And I think 2 each would probably work. So I'm just gonna go and do each one. Look at there, nice and level. That's how I like it. Then we're gonna put our stairs in and we'll be good. This project will be done. I'm liking it.